move on to Twitter now. Twitter is a very, I like to call it a very chatkaredar kind of a platform. It's got all masala. It's like a Bollywood movie. Okay, it's got celebrities, it's got government office, it's got every kind of interesting person out there on itself. And yes, Twitter is very popular. It is a microblogging site, as you already know. Although the limitation on number of characters that it had earlier, so earlier you could only tweet in 140 characters. That's no longer there. So now you can write longer descriptions and longer posts as well. But still, it's better to write as short as possible. Type of content that is very popular on Twitter are memes, GIFs, and entertaining kind of content. Having said that, it doesn't mean that it doesn't support serious content as well. It does. And Twitter actually, interestingly, is the most popular platform which is used for seeking help. Whether it's any kind of natural calamity, whether it is any kind of problem that an individual may get into, it's known for Twitter is very responsive that ways. It's pretty easy to tag people, to to send out a personal message to them, and so it's quite popular in order to as a problem resolution center as well, which I'm sure founders of Twitter had never imagined. But well, here it is. So Twitter is very popular. It's very popular in India. It's very popular in our Asian counterparts as well as in Europe. So in fact, Twitter is the one that is responsible for increasing the hashtag culture as well. So you can, you can very well imagine that, of course, the most important feature of a Twitter content is a hashtag here. Having said that, it doesn't really work in Instagram format. You can't stuff your content with a lot of hashtags. Choose 2 or 3 relevant hashtags and that should do your stuff. Unless you want to tag some other people out there as well. So this is what your Twitter screen is like. Mine is in dark mode. You can have it in the day mode or in white mode as well. So this is what typically Twitter screen looks like. You will see, so here is your post section where you post. You can post along with a picture, along with any media, video or GIF or meme. So GIF is here, video or a picture or a screenshot, anything. Here you can see your post and here you can see your poll. You can include emojis over here. And if you want to schedule your post, now this is a very unique feature that Twitter offers to individual accounts as well. So normally you don't find schedule option in Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn for that matter. Facebook gives scheduling a post option to business accounts, not to individual accounts, but Twitter gives it to everyone for that matter. So you can schedule your tweet as well. Okay, you can explore the hashtags from here. You can check out the hashtags that the accounts that you can follow. You can check out topics that you can follow. Again, Twitter's AI engine is also pretty robust, so you will see topics of your interest only. Okay, even on Twitter you can do paid promotions, but it's as of now, as on date, it is one of the most expensive mediums of paid promotions. So you don't see a lot of paid promotions. Organic content works best in Twitter. Okay, you can see a lot of trending content out here. One of the ways you can build up your follower base on Twitter is to comment on trending content. So you can see trending from here. This is all your trending content that you can see. Whatever is trending, the hashtags that are trending in Twitter, you can look for where you can fit your kind of content in, and you can start retweeting with your opinion. You can start with tweeting this content as well. Yeah, that's our, thank you Priyanka, that's our Twitter handle. It's twitter.com/IrisPro, or you can simply look at look for @IrisPro and you will be able to follow us. So we are also pretty regular on Twitter. So that's one of the ways you can do your stuff. Topics that are of interest, you can see over here. You can, like, yeah, I may like to decide venture capital. You can, so I've just started following it. So now what it will do is it will show me trending content in venture capital as well. Okay, so here now see, this is also a very personalized section. It shows these topics only. Depending on the kind of content that you involve in, it will show you your kind of topics as well. Okay, you can bookmark certain tweets as well. A lot of people use this bookmarking of tweets, particularly when they're scared that it may be deleted or they want to retweet it, albeit a few days later, and that ways. So you can bookmark tweets as well. You can send out DMs from here. You will be able to see your notifications from here. Now, Twitter doesn't have groups. Okay, Twitter doesn't have a community sort of a thing. What it has is lists. Now, why it has lists is because Twitter was essentially microblogging. Okay, so it sort of always took into consideration that people would want to indulge in discussions around topics. So it did not really encourage a lot of groupism around that. It doesn't start off with the communities or bringing people together, but what it said was that let's prepare list of topics and people can follow those topics. So what will happen over here now, this is also like group, it's like a group only, but it's got a different feel about it. So if I check out data science, okay, I can follow this group. It's got 27 members as of now, and it's got 266 followers. So you can definitely follow, but you can't become a member of this list. Only people that the owner of this list will invite can become members of this list. Okay, so unless you're a member, you cannot post in this list. You can only see the kind of content that is coming up. So lists are again a popular way by which marketers indulge their followers. Okay, so that's a good feature. In fact, just last year there was a lot of news that Twitter will probably give up on its list feature, but and bring in a community feature. But finally, Twitter decided against it, and they very well have the list feature intact. So we're back to our homepage. This is what my feed is like as of now. Now, content on Twitter is a little tricky. Even if you're dealing with selective and very serious subjects, unless it's a matter of life and death, create content, or rather your Twitter content should be very unique in the form that it should be entertaining and more entertaining from a graphical perspective. So a lot of content which is heavy on text or unlike Quora, now you will be able to see a stark dissimilarity between Quora and Twitter. In fact, less of text, more of graphics, more of interactive and entertaining graphics will do better on Twitter. Okay, rest of it mostly remains the same. The consistency of your post, the location, audience that you're appealing to, that definitely must be kept in mind. And then thereafter go about creating content. Okay, now over here, as you can see, CA Tires have promoted their handle. Let's quickly have a look at it. Okay, probably they've got a new brand ambassador and that's the reason it's promoted. Okay, this complete handle is promoted over here and not just a tweet. Otherwise, you can, so there are different ways you can promote. The paid promotions can be done for a simple tweet. It can be done for your handle, just this similar way you do it with any other social media. So you can check out the content created by them, pretty engaging and pretty nice kind of content they've made. if you'll go about seeing the other social media of CEAT Tires, you'll probably see that not a lot of content would be same across the platform. Okay, in fact, even the consistency, even the timing of posts may differ. Okay. So anything about Twitter that you would want to understand more? It's pretty interesting. You will find people reacting and retweeting your posts pretty often. It's a very engaging platform, very engaging. Okay, so it's again a very good idea to be on Twitter if you want to create a brand presence among this sort of an audience. Even if you want to create a personal brand, it's very good platform to be on. And start creating content around your specialty, around your subject matter, and you'll see a lot of engagement on Twitter is relatively easier to get. Any question, any discussion that you would want to do around this, around Twitter? Okay, I'm assuming I'm doing quite a good job.